Have you ever stopped to think about how animals, like Captain Floof the squirrel, seem to have an innate ability to recognize patterns that often elude us? Captain Floof isn't just your average squirrel. He's a hedge fund manager in the animal kingdom. Imagine a little guy, darting around, expertly navigating the complexities of nut storage and foraging. It's fascinating how he instinctively understands the patterns of the seasons, the behavior of other animals, and even the subtle shifts in his environment. While humans spend years in school learning about market trends and economic indicators, Captain Floof relies on his natural instincts. He knows when to gather nuts, where to stash them, and how to optimize his resources without ever having taken a finance class. This is pattern recognition at its finest. He's not just reacting, he's analyzing and predicting based on the cues around him. Consider this. Squirrels have an incredible memory. They can remember the locations of thousands of buried nuts, and they can even adjust their strategies based on the competition. If another squirrel is nearby, Captain Floof might choose to bury his nuts deeper or in different spots. This adaptability is a testament to his pattern recognition skills. He's not just surviving, he's thriving in a world full of variables. Now think about how we humans approach pattern recognition. We often rely on data analysis, algorithms, and extensive training. We dissect charts and graphs, trying to make sense of complex information. Yet, in many cases, we struggle with the very patterns that animals navigate effortlessly. Our brains are wired for analytical thinking, but animals like Captain Floof have a different kind of intelligence, one that is instinctual and immediate. This raises an interesting question. Are we overcomplicating things? In our quest for knowledge and understanding, we sometimes overlook the simple, instinctive wisdom that nature provides. Captain Floof doesn't need a degree in economics to know that winter is coming. He feels it in his bones, and he acts accordingly. Moreover, this natural ability isn't limited to squirrels. Many animals exhibit remarkable pattern recognition skills. Birds can navigate vast distances during migration, recognizing landmarks and weather patterns. Dogs can detect subtle changes in human emotions and behavior, responding in ways that often surprise us. These abilities are hardwired into their biology, honed over generations through evolution. As we marvel at Captain Floof's prowess, it's a reminder of the strengths that come from being in tune with our environment. While we may pride ourselves on our analytical skills, it's essential to appreciate the instinctual intelligence that animals possess. Perhaps we can learn a thing or two from Captain Floof about trusting our instincts and recognizing the patterns that surround us. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, there's beauty in simplicity. Captain Floof's success as a hedge fund manager isn't just about nuts. It's about understanding the rhythm of life. So the next time you find yourself struggling with complex analysis, take a moment to consider the wisdom of the animal kingdom. Sometimes the best answers lie in the patterns we've overlooked, waiting to be discovered by those who know how to see them.